Hey guys, Jay the Solar Source here and welcome to my channel. I'll be using this platform to educate US homeowners on everything residential solar. Today we'll be discussing the best alternative to the high electric bills across the US and 3 reasons why you should consider solar for your home. Number 1. Solar is cheaper than ever. Thanks to the technological advancements and the government incentives, the cost of installing solar panels has dropped significantly in recent years. You will also be taking advantage of the net metering in your area, which allows you to sell excess energy back to the grid and lower your bill even more. Most homeowners today are taking advantage of the solar programs available to them, which allows them to lock in a fixed rate for power, which they pay a monthly rate that is cheaper than the rate they're currently getting from their utility company. And it lasts 25 years. We have homeowners today that have locked in their rate in 2020, and now they have not experienced any rate increases that have occurred in the last 3 years, nor will they experience the rate increases to come. After the 25 years, they'll own the system and they will no longer need to pay anything to generate power on their homes. Number 2, solar is cleaner than ever. By going solar, you can reduce your carbon footprint and avoid harmful emissions from fossil fuels. Solar energy is renewable and abundant, unlike coal, oil, or gas, which are finite and polluting. Number 3, solar is smarter than ever. By going solar, you can increase the value of your home and make it more attractive to buyers. You can also protect yourself from rising energy prices and power outages that occur by having your own source of electricity. You'll be able to monitor your system's performance and savings with smart devices and apps from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. So what are you waiting for? Go solar today and enjoy the benefits of a cheaper, cleaner, and smarter energy source. Contact us now for a free consultation and a quote. We'll help you find the best solar solution for your home and budget. Don't miss the opportunity to join the solar revolution, save money, and save the planet at the same time. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave them below in the comments and I'll be sure to get to them. Thank you for watching and see you next time.